Okay, welcome to our podcast. I'm Muhammad Ramdan, and today we will talk about a comprehensive analysis and recommendation for improve at Asia Cyber University online learning system. We will dive into online learning experience at Asia Cyber University. Joining with us, Indrafani, a dedication student. We will share their insight, suggestion for enhancing the quality online learning platform. Welcome, Indrafani.
Thank you, Ramdan. I'm excited to contribute to this discussion and offer my perspective on how we can improve the online learning system at Asia Cyber University.
Okay, let's start by setting the stage, Indrafani. Could you provide our listener with a detailed overview of your experience with online learning platform at Asia Cyber University?
Of course, my experience with the online learning platform at Asia Cyber University has been a mixed bag. On one hand, I appreciated the flexibility and convenience it offers. Being able to access course material, lecture, and assessment from anywhere with an internet connection has been incredibly convenient. Especially for a student like myself who have a busy schedule or other commitments. Additionally, the platform provides a variety of multimedia resources, discussion forum, and interactive quiz, which enhance the learning experience and cater to different learning styles. However, there are several areas where I believe the platform could be improved to better serve and needs of students. One major area of concern is the user interface and navigation. While functional, the interface can feel cluttered and intuitive, making it challenging to find specific resource or negative between different sections of the course. So, simply, the interface in improving navigation will make the platform more user-friendly and accessibility for students.
Thank you for your sharing experience. Let's explore some specific content with aspect the platform do you believe requires the most intermediation and improvement?
One aspect that requires immediate attention is the responsiveness and compatibility of the platform across different devices. As more students access course material from smartphone and tablets, it's essential to ensure the platform is optimized for mobile device. Improve the responsiveness and compatibility of the platform with the various screen size and device will make it more convenient and accessible for all students. Additionally, I believe there is a need to enhance the interactive feature of the platform. While the platform offers some interactive elements such as discussion forums and quiz, there is a room for improvement in this area. Introducing more interactive features such as virtual classroom, real-time collaboration tools, and interactive simulation could foster more engaging and impressive learning experience for students. Furthermore, the platform could benefit from improvements in content organization and search functionality. The platform could benefit from improvement in the content organization and search functionality, streamlining and the organization of course materials and Implementing robust search functionality will make it easy for students to locate relevant resources and navigate the platform more efficiently.
Okay, improving responsiveness, enhancing interactivity, and optimizing content organization are key to enhancing the overall user experience. In your opinion, what steps could Asia Cyber University to address the area for improvement?
To address the area for improvement, University Cyber Asia could take several strategy steps. First, they could conduct through usability testing, gather feedback from students to identify specific pain point and area of confusion in the current interface and navigation. Based on this feedback, they could redesign the interface to streaming line navigation, improve the overall user experience. Secondly, investing in responsive design and mobile optimization will ensure the platform is accessible and functionally across a wide range of devices. This could involve the redesign the platform using responsive web design principle and optimizing the layout and the functionality for mobile device. Furthermore, integrating more interactive features and collaborative tools into the platform could enhance student engagement and facilitate more dynamic and interactive interactive learning experience. Asia Cyber University could explore partnership with the educational technology company or invest in the developing property tools and feature to enhance interactive on the platform. And then lastly, implementing robust content organization, the search functionality will require careful planning and execution. University Cyber Asia could invest in developing a robust content management system to allow for easy organization and categorization of course materials, as well as implementing advanced search algorithm to enable students to find relevant resource quickly and efficiently. By prioritizing user feedback and focusing on usability, accessibility, dan interactivity, University Cyber Asia could significantly enhance the quality and effectiveness of this online learning platform.
Those are excellent recommendations, Indrafani. It's clear there is a need for ongoing assessment and improvement for online learning system to meet and fulfill needs of students.
I'm hopeful it will contribute to positive change in the online learning experience at Asia Cyber University.
Let's broaden our perspective, explore the implication of online education, the evolving landscape of global learning.
That sounds like a fascinating direction for our discussion, Ramdan. As we navigated the complexity of online education, it's essential to consider not only the immediate improvement but also the long-term impact and future possibilities.
Certainly, Indrafani. Let's start by discussing the role of technology in shaping a future of education. How do you envision the integration of emergency technology such as artificial intelligence, virtual reality, or augmented reality into online learning platform?
The integration of emerging technology hold immense potential for revolution online education. Artificial intelligence can personalize learning experience, adapting content to individual students' needs. Virtual reality and augmented reality could create immersive learning environment, providing hands-on experience for a subject that traditionally require physical presence. This technology have the power to make online learning more engaging, interactive, and effective.
Indeed, the potential is vast. However, with great technology, advance come ethical consideration and challenge. How do you think education institutions, including Asia Cyber University, can navigate the ethical implication of using technology while ensuring inclusivity and accessibility for all students?
Ethical considerations are crucial in the interrogation for emerging technologies. Institutions must prioritize the accessibility to ensure that all students, regardless of their background or ability, can benefit from the advancement. Additionally, establishing clear guidelines and ethical frameworks for the use of technology like IA can help mitigate potential biases, yes, and ensure the fair treatment of all students. Continuous dialogue and collaboration with students, educators, and experts in the field are essential to address emerging ethical challenge.
Very well, Indrafani. Now, let's shift our focus to the global perspective. Online education has the potential to connect learners about around the world. How can institute like Asia Cyber University foster a sense global community among students and leverage the diversity of perspective for a richer learning experience?
Building a global community in online education requires international efforts. Asia Cyber University could explore initiatives such as virtual exchange programs, collaborative projects with international institutions, or even global forums where students can engage in the cross-cultural discussion. Encouraging and the exchange of ideas, perspective, and experience can enrich the learning environment, prepare students for a globalization world.
Thank you for your opinion. By the way, I heard you Laravel programmer. Can I ask more about it?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Indrafani. I will ask about the future of web development with Laravel. Before we dive into specific, could you provide our listener with a brief overview of your experience with Laravel and why you believe it an essential tool for modern web development?
Absolutely. I've been working with the Laravel for several years now, and I have been continually impressed by its capabilities, the vibrant community surrounding it. Laravel, Laravel is elegant syntax for full features such ECOLM ORM and Blade templating engine. And comprehensive documentation make it an ideal choice for developing robust web application efficiently. Its emphasis on conviction over configuration and build tools for tasks like authentication, caching, routing, streamline, and developing process and contribute to maintain clean. Maintainable code base. Overall, Laravel personality and developer friendly approach make it indispensable and modern web development.
Thank you for the insightful introduction, Indrafani. Now let's discuss the role of Laravel in shaping the futures of web development. How do you see Laravel evolving to meet the demands of emerging technology in development trend?
Uh, Laravel has demonstrated remarkable ability to evolve the tandem with emerging technology and industry trends. With each new release, the Laravel team introducing innovative feature and engagement address the involved needs of developer and the business alike. For example, recently, version of Laravel have included support for a feature like real-time broadcasting with Laravel Echo. API the authentication with Laravel Passport and task scheduling with Laravel Horizon. The edition reflects Laravel commitment to staying at the forefront of web development and providing developers with the tools they need to build a cutting-edge application. Looking ahead, I expect Laravel to continue adapting to emerging technologies such machine learning, serverless computing, and progressive web apps, further solidifying its position as a leading framework in the ever-changed landscape of web development.
Fantastic insights, Indrafani. As Laravel continues to evolve, what challenges do you force developer and causing, and how they overcome them?
While Laravel offers a robust set of the feature and tools, developer may encounter challenges as they navigate complexities of building and maintaining large-scale application. One common challenge is scalability. Practical as application grow in complexity and user base, developer must carefully architect their application and leverage Laravel scalability feature, such as caching, queuing, and database optimization. They ensure optimal performance under increasing load. Additionally, staying abreast of Laravel rapid development pace and integrating new features seamlessly into existing projects can be a challenge. To overcome these challenges, developers should invest time in the continuous learning, stay engaged with the Laravel community, and leverage resources such as online tutorial, documentation, and conference to extend their skill and stay up to date on best practice.
Excellent advice, Indrafani. Finally, for our listeners who are urged to dive deeper into Laravel, what research and strategy would you recommend to accelerate their learning and mastery of frameworks?
For aspiring Laravel developers, there is no shortage of resource to available to aid in their learning journey. I recommend starting with the official Laravel documentation, which provides comprehensive guides, tutorial, and API reference covering all aspects of the framework. Additionally, online learning platforms such as Laracast offer high-quality video tutorial taught by industry experts, covering a wide range of Laravel topics, from beginner to advanced. with the Laravel community through forum, social media, local meetups is also invaluable to gaining insights. Sharing the experience, seeking assistance from fellow developers. Finally, nothing beats hand-on practice. So I encourage listeners to embark on personal project, contribute to open source project, and practice it in the coding challenge to reinforce their skill and deepen their understanding of Laravel.
Thank you for those valued recommendation, Indrafani. It's been a pleasure speaking with you and gaining your insight.
The pleasure is mine, Ramdan. Thank you for having me.